Day 3 summer activities, first second classes. Draw any 5 vegetables, pictures and color them. English activity card reading. Egg. తెలుగు గుడి పదాలు చదవండి రాయండి. Activity learning parts of the body. Collect the leaves of different plants and paste them in book. Draw any 5 vegetables, pictures and color them. Activity card reading. Egg. Today's English word egg. This is an egg. This is a white egg. I eat egg daily. Hen lays eggs. Eggs are good for health. Eat an egg a day. తెలుగు గుణంత పదాలు గుడి పెడత పిరికి మెడత మిరప రివాజు విమల కిటికీ గిలక గిరిజ చిలక. Collect the leaves of different plants and paste them in book.